How to know who viewed your featured collection on Facebook. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. In order to see who viewed your featured collection, all you have to do is launch your Facebook application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the three-line icon and tap on your profile. From here, scroll down and tap open your featured collection. As you can see, the viewers depends upon the individual post in your featured collection, and which will be removed after 14 days. So in the featured collection, the viewers are not collective viewers. However, the viewers are located as an individual viewer in each story that you ever posted and is in your featured collection. And that is all. However, if you face any of the bug or the glitch issue of viewers being missing or your featured collection simply not opening, follow this next step. Press and hold onto your Facebook application and head to App Info. Force stop your application, then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Next step, open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook and tap on it. Make sure to update it. If not, the last resort is to uninstall your application and reinstall it later. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.